He began to circle the area, searching for some wire, some pipe, any logical explanation. But the scorched earth had no beginning or end, and in the center, the ground seemed to pulse, rising and falling very slightly. As he approached, the heat rose through his feet, his legs, to his chest, blurring his vision. A deep buzzing filled his head, as if someone were speaking directly inside his brain, in a language too strange to be human. Suddenly, the vibration returned with force. The ground trembled, the windows of the house shook, and a dark shape began to rise from within the circle, tall, thin, faceless. He tried to scream, but no voice came out. The next morning, the neighbors found the house intact, the yard too. Only one thing was different. Now there were 2 scorched circles in the ground, and no sign that he had ever lived there.